Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out device from Telegram on mobile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Telegram is available for a wide variety of device platforms. Plus, there is no limit to adding your linked devices. So, in this video, I will show you how to remove one of the devices that connected with your Telegram account. On my previous video, I've shown you how to find all the devices that connected with your Telegram account, how to see the active station. So in this video, I will show you how to remove one of them. So first, you can open your Telegram, tap on the up right corner, up left corner, the three lines over here. You can go to settings by tap on settings in here. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option devices. You can just tap on that. So here's all the active station, all the devices that connected with your Telegram account. And if you want to log out from one of these, you can just choose on devices that you want to remove. For example, you want to choose this one. You want to remove this one, you want to terminate. You can terminate sessions. Choose on terminate session. You can choose on terminate so that device will be removed, will be logged out from your Telegram account. So simple, right? So that is how to log out from devices that connected with your Telegram account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.